are sorry to interrupt your programming. Please stay tuned for an important emergency message. The emergency alert system tone will start in like 3 minutes. The following message is transmitted by order of the United States government. An attack on terrorists is about to go haywire and is about to start raiding to all the radioactive stunt overs. Citizens are allowed to stay indoors and to not go outside. This is a radioactive warning. I repeat, this is a radioactive warning for all the states of California, Washington, D.C., New York City, Texas, San Francisco, Iowa, Ohio, and Wisconsin. Citizens are allowed to stay indoors and to not go outside. Bring a battery-powered radio, some unperishable food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-operated radio to last for a month. Oh no, and holy cow! They're coming out! Oh no! They're having a war coming! Oh, this is the end of us! Please help me back for a lockdown! Nobody panic and don't do that! Wow, that was a close one. Oh no, they're coming back again. Well, oh crud, they're coming. Oh no, they're going into warfare. Well, that sucks. I better hide and gather up my supplies. There's a battlefield of modern warfare.